Let's talk about vision. For the longest time, guys, vision has been a grand picture that gives me a feeling. It's not about specifics when it comes to vision. And it's not about money either. In fact, you shouldn't be able to know how much you're going to be making in that vision. So there is no wrong way to do it as long as you achieve the feeling a vision is supposed to give you. The feeling is very simple. It has to inspire you. The vision should make you very excited. It's like this huge magnet that gives you an ultimate reason for why you would be willing to do anything and why you're doing everything. When I look back at the times when I started in life coaching, I honestly had no idea what I was doing the entire time. I don't think I still know anything about what I'm doing, but I just keep going. The only reason why I keep going is because I have this vision. The vision is just a simple picture. The picture is, for me, I just see like lots of people in a room, 10,000 person stage. And I just see myself teaching. That concept just excites me. And then maybe I add into that vision, I go, because I'm so in demand and people need my time and like what I'm teaching is so valuable that, yeah, sure, there's a private jet that picks me up to take me to places. So I don't have time to do other forms of transportation. Those ideas, they excite me. When you're starting out, the best way to create a vision for yourself is find someone in the world that's kind of doing what excites you. We kind of do this naturally. We follow them online, social media. We see these people's lifestyles. Now, believe me, what you think their life is like is nowhere clear near what their life probably is actually like. But that's not the point. The point is that you believe there is this reality that you can live, where your life could be this dream of a thing. And you know that that place that you get there is gonna fuel you. It's gonna make you so fulfilled. All that matters is that it gives you that drive. I would not think too closely about the realism of it. In fact, you don't want it to be realistic at all. The vision is not supposed to be realistic. Vision is supposed to be so big, you have no idea how you do it. Because then it requires you to ask yourself how you can involve others. The key difference between a goal and a vision is that vision involves other people. Goal could just be about you. So see, when I say I'm gonna have 10,000 people in a room and I'm teaching something, it's gonna require lots of people in the company working with me to make that happen. Lots of other people involved. So it doesn't matter if it's clear, like, not that it's unclear, it doesn't matter if it's specific vision. Don't get too specific. All you wanna do is you wanna have a picture that excites you about who you can become and what you can build. And that's all that matters.